Hey folks, it's Sunday, June 22nd, 2025. This update is for the upcoming week starting on June 23rd, 2025, Monday. We said we had been maintaining sell signal on pretty much each and every day last week, and in the end we ended up lower for the week. We had also said markets are likely to hang tough into 621, which is Saturday, and they hung tight into close of 620. Now this week is really the big tell week from a bearish lean point of view, and we are going to get a gap lower and continue lower, perhaps towards 59.15 ES, 58.55 cash for Monday, and have some kind of bounce from there. But overall the market is leaning bearish this week, and there is no reason for market to climb back above 6,000 cash. If it does, then there is something wrong with our bearish lean. I think this week market may not go down below 58.62 ES or 58.02 cash, and that too potentially by Wednesday, and then again some kind of bounce into Friday, and then continue lower into July 3rd, where market is going to touch the monthly put line at running at 57.43 this week. That's apparent from many models. The VIX based model is also on sell. It was on sell pretty much all of last week. And this also says market has no reason to climb above 59.97 cash this week. This model projects three levels as successive targets. That is, if one is blown, you get the next one. If this one is blown, you get the next one. I think for Monday, I expect reaching T2. And worst case for this week is T3. Looking at Elliott waves, we finally broke down below the positive cycle for the month of June by closing below 59.70, and there's a huge gap from there to where you have negative cycle that takes over at 58.64. I think there's a great chance, as we're seeing in other models, to hit 58.64 cash. And over here also the break of weekly wave projects towards 58.69. So I think this is a target, and if this number goes, we're going to see lower into July 3rd. We have an unmet target at 56.69.47 from May 9th, which is running at a very low probability to reach by July 3rd, but more than likely market is pursuing this target. And here are the CITs for Sunday as well as Monday. Good luck.